Previously on Auto Surge.
Listen, today we're going to finally wash that 1980 VW Caddy truck. And it's been, like I said, it's been sitting there for 3 years, so it's a lot of dirt and debris. We're going to go and head over. We're going to get some gas for the power washer, and we're just going to attack it today. So please follow along as we go. All right, guys, here we go. This is the 1980 VW Caddy. As you can see, we have a lot of dirt, a lot of dust. And we just want to bring this this truck up and give it life. As you can see, we have a lot of cobwebs everywhere, and we're really gonna clean this up, make it look good. We're just excited to get this thing finally cleaned up so we can start working on it. And we're going to clean all this up, and it's going to look good. It's a good looking truck, and it's going to look real good and everything else. So we're going to clean it up and make it look good. Ricky, what do you think? Can you grab the pressure washer for us? Slow-mo, man. We got work to do. Ah, knock that off. All right, as you can see, it's turning out real nice. We're getting everything done. Today, we're just gonna wash this truck down and everything because it's gonna be a hot day, and plus we got all this mud down here. But we need to go underneath and we need to remove this tank, and hopefully we'll get that done next week. But today we're just gonna clean it down, make it look good. We got the bed all cleared out. It's starting to look real nice. Ricky's now just doing a quick touch up with the towel and soap. And I tell you what, man, this truck is a real good looking truck. I love these rims. I love can't wait to put new tires on them, make it look good, right? Can't wait to get underneath there and start flushing out that tank. And man, it's gonna look real nice. I had a lot of fun with this truck while it ran. I was able to use it for work, and took it everywhere, and it was a great little truck. The only unfortunate part about it is just, for me, it's just too small. I can't fit in the cab of this thing. This thing is just too small, and unfortunately the seats here, you can't really bring it back any further. I'm just you know, I'm 5'9", almost 6 feet tall, and inside these small cabins, it's really tight. But it's a fun little truck, and it's a fun project, and I love the diesel engine, and I love the fact that it goes 40 miles per gallon, and it's just a fun little truck. And hopefully, again, we'll be able to get this thing up and running, and I'm gonna have to sell it. I'm gonna have to do away with it, and but it's gonna be a neat project to work on, and follow us along. So please continue subscribing, sharing, and tell your friends about this 1980 Caddy that we're working on, and just join us as we go with this project. And we're going to continue now, just finishing off washing this truck from top to bottom, make it look real nice and good. We got all the cobwebs, we got all that crap off of there, and it's starting to look real sharp, and starting to look good, and it's going to be a lot easier for us to work on. Unfortunately, like I said, we have all this mud down here, and this is all I got. I have this dirt ground to work on, and we're just not going to be able to start working on it today. But just follow us as we go, and get this truck back in order for it to sell. Surge.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to Auto Surge.
More happier, more livelier, more louder. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Auto Surge.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to Auto Surge.
Right.
Hey, guys. Welcome to Auto Surge.
No.
Hey, guys. Welcome back to Auto Surge.
Go. Hang on. Go.
Yeah, I can.